Top 7 vitamins to strengthen your legs, prevent leg cramps in seniors. Imagine waking up every morning with legs that feel strong, steady, and full of energy. No cramps, no weakness, and no fear of falling. Sounds too good to be true, right? The secret isn't some fancy workout or expensive machine. It's the vitamins and minerals your body might be missing. Today, I'm going to share the 7 most powerful nutrients that help keep your legs strong, protect bone density, improve circulation, and make moving every day easy. Whether you love walking in the park, dancing, or just want to stay independent, this video is for you. As we age, our legs naturally lose strength. Muscles shrink, bones lose density, and movements that once felt effortless can become challenging. What many don't realize is that deficiencies in vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and other key nutrients silently steal strength, making cramps, fatigue, and falls more likely. The good news? By making sure you get these vitamins, you can keep your legs energized, reduce discomfort, and move with confidence every day. If you're ready to take control of your leg health, hit the like button, leave a comment telling me your favorite way to stay active, and subscribe so you never miss practical tips to stay strong, healthy, and independent. Vitamin D. As we get older, our skin doesn't absorb sunlight as well, and many of us spend less time outside. That might seem harmless, but over time it can quietly weaken your legs. Simple movements like standing up, climbing stairs, or walking can start to feel harder. Vitamin D is key here. It's not just about bones. It helps your muscles work properly, keeps balance steady, and reduces the risk of falls. Seniors with enough vitamin D have stronger leg muscles, better coordination, and fewer cramps, while low levels can lead to weakness, pain, and slower reflexes. Getting enough vitamin D can be simple, 15 to 30 minutes in the sun a few times a week. Plus foods like salmon, mackerel, eggs, mushrooms, and fortified dairy. For those who don't get much sun, a supplement of 800 to 1,000 IU per day can make a big difference. Imagine moving without fear, no wobbling, no cramps, just confidence with every step. And while vitamin D helps your muscles fire correctly, your legs also need strong bones to support that movement. That's where calcium comes in. Calcium is essential for muscles to contract properly and for bones to stay strong. Without it, legs can feel weak, cramp easily, or become unstable. Pairing calcium with vitamin D is powerful. It gives your legs both the fuel and the structure they need to stay strong. Dairy, leafy greens, almonds, tofu, and fortified plant milks are great sources, and a supplement can help meet the daily goal of 1,000 to 1,200 mils. Combined with lightweight bearing activity, calcium helps maintain bone density, supports muscle function, and keeps you steady on your feet. How do your legs feel today? Strong or maybe a little wobbly? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips to keep your legs strong, steady, and pain-free. 2. Calcium. As we move on, let's take a closer look at calcium because strong legs start from the inside out. Your legs aren't just muscles. They rely on bones to carry you safely through every step, bend, and climb. As we get older, bone density naturally decreases, and without enough calcium, even a small misstep can lead to fractures or breaks that take months to heal. But calcium isn't just about preventing breaks. It's also vital for muscles to contract and move smoothly. Every step you take, every time you rise from a chair, calcium plays a role in telling your muscles to fire correctly. Without it, legs can cramp unexpectedly, feel weak, or even give you that sudden shaky feeling when standing or walking. To keep your bones strong and your muscles working properly, include a mix of calcium-rich foods in your daily diet. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are classic options, but leafy greens like kale and bok choy, almonds, tofu, sardines, and fortified plant-based milks all contribute as well. If your diet isn't quite enough, supplements can be an excellent safety net, but the key is to pair them with vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium effectively and put it exactly where it's needed. Movement is equally important. Gentle weight-bearing exercises like walking, light strength training, or even dancing signal your body to direct calcium into your bones rather than letting it sit in soft tissues. This combination of nutrients and activity builds a foundation that keeps your legs stable, strong, and reliable. Now, while calcium and vitamin D give you structural strength, there's another piece of the puzzle that's just as crucial: your nervous system. Strong bones and muscles are important, but if your nerves aren't sending the right signals, even the healthiest legs can feel heavy and uncoordinated. That's where vitamin B12 comes in. This essential vitamin helps your nerves communicate effectively with your muscles, keeping your legs balanced, responsive, and full of energy. Without enough B12, you may notice heaviness in your legs, tingling, or even a gradual loss of coordination, making everyday movements more tiring and frustrating. Ensuring adequate B12 intake supports both your strength and your ability to move confidently, giving you the freedom to stay active, independent, and steady on your feet. 3. Vitamin B12. Let's take a closer look at vitamin B12 because even if your muscles are strong and your bones are solid, your legs won't function properly without healthy nerves, sending the right signals. Vitamin B12 is essential for keeping your nervous system in top shape, ensuring that the messages from your brain reach your leg muscles quickly and accurately. Without enough B12, you might notice that your legs feel heavy, weak, or tingly. You may stumble more easily, feel unsteady when walking, or struggle to lift your feet properly. Many people assume this is just part of getting older, but in reality, these frustrating symptoms are often caused by a simple nutrient shortage. The tricky part is that B12 deficiency develops slowly over time, especially in older adults. As we age, our bodies absorb B12 less efficiently, and conditions like low stomach acid, certain medications, or digestive issues can make it even harder to get enough. The impact isn't just about leg strength. Without B12, coordination suffers, reflexes slow down, and balance can be compromised, which increases the risk of falls. But here's the encouraging news. Correcting a B12 deficiency can have a dramatic effect on mobility. Seniors who restore their B12 levels often notice steadier legs, improved balance, reduced fatigue, and even better endurance for daily activities. It's like flipping a switch that helps the nervous system communicate more clearly with the muscles. B12 comes primarily from animal-based foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy. For those following plant-based diets or struggling with absorption, fortified cereals, fortified plant milks, or supplements can be excellent alternatives. Regular blood tests can help make sure you're maintaining adequate levels, supporting both nerve health and muscle responsiveness. Think of vitamin B12 as the wiring that allows your legs to move efficiently. Strong muscles aren't enough if the signals can't travel properly. And while B12 makes sure your muscles receive the right instructions, another essential nutrient works behind the scenes to ensure they actually perform smoothly and reliably. That nutrient is magnesium, which helps muscles contract and relax properly, prevents cramps, reduces fatigue, and supports overall leg endurance. Let's dive into magnesium next and see how it can transform not just your leg strength, but your comfort and mobility every single day. 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is like the unsung hero for your legs, quietly working behind the scenes every time you take a step or climb a set of stairs. It helps your muscles contract and relax smoothly, keeps cramps at bay, and supports endurance so your legs don't tire out too quickly. Many seniors don't realize how common magnesium deficiency is. Stress, medications, and diets low in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains can quietly drain your stores, leaving muscles stiff, tired, and prone to spasms. You might wake up at night with painful leg cramps or feel heaviness in your calves after walking, and that's often a sign your body is begging for more magnesium. But the great news is that restoring magnesium can make a noticeable difference. When levels are balanced, your legs move more easily, cramps reduce, and even your balance can improve because your neuromuscular connections work more efficiently. Magnesium also partners with calcium to strengthen bones, keeping your legs not just flexible, but structurally sound, reducing fracture risks over time. For those who struggle to get enough from food alone, supplements like magnesium citrate or glycinate are gentle and well-absorbed options that can help fill the gap. By supporting muscle function, reducing fatigue, and improving joint comfort, magnesium makes daily movement feel lighter and more natural, so walking, standing, and even dancing can become enjoyable again. And as we talk about muscles working smoothly, it's impossible to overlook another key mineral that keeps your legs strong and cramp-free: potassium. Potassium ensures that your muscles and nerves communicate properly, preventing those sudden jolts and cramps that can make walking or even standing a challenge. Let's explore how potassium works and why it's so vital for your leg health in the next section. Have you ever dealt with leg cramps or felt your legs getting weak? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you find this video helpful, hit that like button to help us share more tips for strong, healthy legs. 5. Potassium. Potassium is one of those minerals that quietly works behind the scenes to keep your legs functioning smoothly. Yet so many people overlook it until cramps, weakness, or shakiness show up. It plays a key role in balancing fluids inside and outside your muscle cells, which is essential for proper muscle contractions and preventing those sudden, painful leg cramps that can strike at night or after a long walk. Many seniors notice their calves cramp up when they stand for just a few minutes, or they feel a constant stiffness in their legs that makes walking or climbing stairs feel much harder than it should. Often, low potassium is the hidden reason behind these struggles. Without enough of this vital mineral, your muscles can misfire, leading to trembling, unsteady steps, and even sudden spasms that make daily activities frustrating and potentially dangerous. But potassium's benefits go beyond muscles alone. It also plays a significant role in protecting your bones. By helping to neutralize acids in the body, potassium slows down bone loss, keeping your bones denser and stronger over time. This means your legs are supported not just by muscles, but by a solid skeletal framework, reducing the risk of fractures and falls as you age. The good news is that potassium is found in many tasty and accessible foods. Bananas are the classic go-to, but sweet potatoes, spinach, beans, avocados, and even a baked potato with the skin on all provide excellent sources. The key is to make these foods a consistent part of your diet so that your muscles and bones receive a steady supply to stay responsive, strong, and resilient. Of course, if you have health conditions like kidney disease or high blood pressure, you'll want to check with your doctor before increasing potassium intake. But for most seniors, a well-balanced, potassium-rich diet can have a noticeable impact on leg strength and overall mobility. And while potassium ensures your muscles fire properly and your bones stay strong, there's another nutrient quietly at work, directing calcium to the right places in your body and supporting not just bones, but also joint and muscle function. Vitamin K. Understanding how vitamin K works will give you the complete picture of how to keep your legs strong, mobile, and pain-free as you age. So let's move on to explore its amazing benefits in the next section. 6. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is a true unsung hero when it comes to keeping your legs strong, flexible, and healthy. Many people focus only on calcium and vitamin D, but without enough vitamin K, calcium can't get to the right places in your body, which means it might build up in soft tissues or arteries instead of your bones. For older adults, this is critical because strong, well-mineralized bones support every step you take, help prevent fractures, and keep your legs stable and balanced. Beyond bones, vitamin K also supports joint health and muscle function. It helps reduce inflammation in the joints, which can ease stiffness in the knees and hips, a common complaint for seniors who want to stay active. Maintaining good vitamin K levels can make a noticeable difference in your walking, climbing stairs, and even getting up from a chair without discomfort. There are two forms of vitamin K that matter. K1, found in green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli, and K2, which comes from fermented foods like natto, certain cheeses, and egg yolks. Both work together to guide calcium to your bones, support your muscles, and keep your joints functioning well. For those who struggle to absorb enough through food, especially if you're on certain medications like blood thinners, supplementation under a doctor's guidance can be important. Ensuring you get enough vitamin K completes the trio of nutrients, calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin K, that work in harmony to protect your legs, giving you strength, stability, and confidence in every movement. And just as vitamin K helps direct calcium to the right places, another vitamin quietly supports your nerves, muscles, and energy to keep your legs working at their best: vitamin B6. Let's take a closer look at why this vitamin is so essential and how it can help prevent fatigue, weakness, and discomfort in your legs. 7. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is often overlooked, but it plays a huge role in keeping your legs strong, flexible, and energized. This vitamin helps your body process protein properly, which is essential for building and maintaining muscle. Without enough B6, even your strongest muscles can start to feel weak, and simple movements like standing up from a chair or climbing stairs may become exhausting. But it doesn't stop there. B6 is also critical for nerve health. Your nerves need it to send the right signals to your muscles so they can contract and relax smoothly. When B6 levels drop, signals can get mixed up, causing tingling, numbness, or unsteady movements that increase the risk of falls. On top of that, vitamin B6 helps reduce inflammation and supports red blood cell production, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen they need to stay active longer without fatigue. Seniors often find relief and renewed energy once they restore their B6 levels through foods like chicken, fish, bananas, potatoes, and fortified cereals, or through supplements if recommended by a doctor. Together with the other 6 vitamins and minerals we've talked about, vitamin D, calcium, B12, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K, B6 completes the essential support system your legs need to stay strong, coordinated, and ready for anything. Now that you know the top 7 vitamins to strengthen your legs, prevent cramps, and keep you moving confidently every day, it's time to put this knowledge into action and take small steps towards stronger, healthier legs. Don't forget to like, comment with which vitamin you'll focus on first, and hit subscribe so you never miss the next tip to stay active and independent. Keeping your legs strong isn't just about exercise. It's also about giving your body the right nutrients every day. The 7 vitamins and minerals we talked about will help your muscles stay strong, your bones stay healthy, and your legs feel steady and full of energy. When you take care of your body the right way, walking, climbing stairs, and performing daily activities become easier and safer. Which vitamin do you think will help you the most? Drop a comment below to share your thoughts. Hit like if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss simple tips to stay active, confident, and independent every day.